I don't have to, tell you about the purpose of the day. Actually, there is someone who will just be dealing with that. But before we start with everything, actually, we have got our apostle, Murira. So he's just going to lead us with the prayer, whereby we're just going to open this ceremony with a very good prayer. After that, I'll tell you exactly. Hello, this party. I'm going to welcome you. Come on, Jamba, sana mutapata to. Parade. Ito kasi ano mo ya? Mahimo na ka television na kay ko na yawa. Kumain ta susunod ng DJ. Pana subrakate a very good track. Ebi ko tong may bonong pagbar prepare hikot ang porong som sa ko in sa kona. E kapat jump ya se. Kura na multa. Sa ko sa kini ko lang magawan menawi. Really, I found DJ. I found my phone. I found that, or before I tell you what to do now, I just want you to play one song. I'm a piano song, so that at least we stand up and jive, guys. We are here to celebrate. We are here to rejoice. So there's no way to know that time than anyone. So please, can you guys make some noise? Number one, competition. Last time, we came today back on a Shire and